Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your group link on WhatsApp. So if you want to share your group link, these are the steps that you need to follow. First of all, open up your WhatsApp app. After you open up your WhatsApp app, you will land on your chats interface if you've already been signed in. So you can see here that there are all the chats that you've made in the past, because if you had been backed up properly. So now choose the group that you want to share the link of. After choosing the group, you can simply tap on the group information by tapping on the name of the group, and then scroll downwards. And here under the participants section, you can see an option that says invite to group via link. Tap on it, and then here you can see that there's an option in the very first that says share link. So now you can tap on it, and then you'll be shown different social media networking sites where you can share the link. So I'm just going to tap on Messenger randomly, and now I can send this to a person. Tap on send, and in this way my message will have been sent to the person. Here you can see this. My message has been sent to the person. So it is in this way that you can properly share your group link on WhatsApp. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.